Yo, what's up? Check this out. This video here, I will answer questions that have been asked and by inbox. And I'm gonna start off with this here. Okay. I am eating a whole food, plant-based lifestyle. That's what I've been eating for decades. I was doing the 85%, 15%. I mean, 85% whole food. The other came from dairy. Not much dairy. And I don't eat red meat. None of that junk. But I was eating ground turkey. So that's what the other 15% came from. However, what I decided to do was change to 100% whole food, plant-based lifestyle. So with that being said, let me tell you what it is. Whole food, plant-based. That's what it is. Consists of whole food, anything that's grown from the earth, anything that come off plants, berries, blueberries, anything that come from the ground, sweet potato, all right, onions, things of that nature, nuts, beans. I can go on and on, all right? Now, but I'm not going to keep you waiting and keep this video long. I'm not going to do that. But that being said, what I am going to do is I'm going to show you what I eat. Well, first of all, let me give you a little brief story. Okay, I used to walk around like between 290, 295, 280, 275, 300 plus pounds. Super muscular, right? That's all good and dandy when you're young and all that. I'm gonna be macho, even though I've never done it. I never trained for the looks. I don't do that. I do everything for the health benefits. Anyway, to make a long story short, that's too much weight. That's too much muscle. Though your organs don't know what's muscles compared to what's body fat. It don't know. So I decided I would downsize. 2 years ago, I started downsizing. My process of downsizing, right? So at this particular day, I am 240 pounds. I never thought I would ever see anything close to that again. You know how many years it's been since I've been this low? Wow. Put it this way, I was in junior high. And I was well under 240. I was like 170, 165, 180, right? But with that being said, let me tell you about this whole food plant-based. Whole food plant-based is where it's at. And I'm not going to go really into detail. All I can do is just tell you to look it up. Get educated about it. Get reverse diseases, arthritis, conditions, things of that nature. I know some people, a lot of people do keto. Keto don't got nothing on whole food, plant-based lifestyle. And I'm not saying that because I'm doing it, but I've tried keto years ago. You can't get no carbs off keto. Your brain needs carbs. Keto, people take advantage because you eat a lot of animal fat, animal food, animal protein. That stuff is disgusting, and that stuff will kill you. That's what gives you all these diseases and conditions and health conditions and things like that. You know what I'm saying? Back in the days, people say, okay, well, that's where I get my protein from. No, you can get your protein from this as well. You know what I'm talking about? You don't need no protein shake. You don't need animal protein. You can get your protein from this, from whole food, from the beans, your nuts, your plants, your vegetables, fruits, things of that nature. You don't need animal cardio every day for 30 minutes. Simple, fast brisk walk or a light jog. You don't gotta sprint. And I'm not touching weights. I haven't touched weights in 2 months because I get big weight. So I'm not going to touch a weight again until I get to 230. So I'll be at 230 within another month. Then I start back weight training. However, I will not go over 235 in my body weight. So with that being said, that was just a little bit of why I decided to make this video. Was for people who've been inboxing me. Man, how you doing there? I can't lose weight. Yes, you can. You just gotta put effort to it, dog. You gotta put effort to it. You gotta get on this whole food plant-based diet. I promise you, you will go down. You will lose weight. And if you got any kind of health conditions or whatever, you will reverse it. This right here will reverse it. I can give you documentaries. I will put a link in my description of the video, but I'm not gonna do that. Just look it up. Look up whole food plant-based diet. There's a lot of documentaries on that. Forks Over Knives. That's a documentary on Netflix. That's one. Look at that one. All right. I'm not gonna keep y'all any longer. So y'all have a blessed day. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you will know when I upload new videos. And I got another video coming probably within the next 2 to 3 days, and I'm gonna tell you something else that whole food plant-based lifestyle is good for. Y'all be good. God bless.